SDKs make APIs easier to use, until you need more than one. For a single integration, an SDK helps. You get structured requests, authentication helpers, pagination handling, and typed models. It packages one provider's conventions in your language, so you ship faster. The problem starts when you add more SDKs. Each integration brings different naming conventions, auth models, pagination rules, and schemas. Now you're not using an SDK, you're maintaining many. That's the real issue. SDKs don't standardize systems, they expose differences more cleanly. You still map data across providers, handle edge cases per integration, and maintain separate logic paths. This creates SDK Sprawl. Teams spend time managing dependencies, handling breaking changes, and debugging inconsistent behavior. The complexity isn't making API calls, it's reconciliation. At scale, the question shifts, not how do we call this API, but how do we make all APIs behave consistently? SDKs alone don't solve that. A unified API layer with a single SDK does. SDKs help individually. At scale, how many do you want to maintain?